Today was FOMC day. Boring ass day today. Nothing else to say to that. I didn't take any trades, and honestly, I call that a win. Based on today's conditions, I call that a 100% a win. Today was FOMC day. We had news at 2 and 2:30 for federal funds rate. Nothing really happened out of it. And I wish I would have traded Asia, to be honest, because the conditions were really good. Not really much to say. I'm not even gonna go into the replay mode. I do want to address one obvious thing that during AM Open we did have a very good mechanical setup, but I didn't take it because that would be pattern trading, and we try not to do that. So we open Asia rallies like crazy, and we just continue rallying. London consolidates, and then New York, we expected it to be pretty bad. And as you can see, it was pretty fucking bad. However, if you think about it and you look at it like this, let me go up here. We had what I would call an A+ setup. If I go to the 2 minute more specifically, we're reacting off of an hourly gap, so you guys can see. So before let's go back a little bit. We have bullish order flow. We're reacting off an hourly gap. We have all-time highs right up here. Yes, did make a bearish S&P with all-time highs, but we might want to see this bullish order flow continuing during New York Open. And if we go to the 2 minute, you'll see that at this hourly fair value gap, we got market open, we got a sweep of the market low, we made a push up, we retraced, and then we made another inverse, a 2 minute inverse. So we have, at the same time, we also had an SMT with the AM low. So not only do we have an SMT, we have super liquidity, we're reacting off an hourly, we're reacting off a lower time frame, and we inverse the internal inverse like a fair value gap. This is just like beautiful longs right here with clear targets too. London highs, these trendline liquidity highs, and then these Asia highs right here. You couldn't ask for more, and it didn't work. It didn't work because it's a pattern trade, and we needed to understand why it was a pattern trade. FOMC, nobody's going to be trading, much less making moves, much less towards all-time highs before FOMC. What if the Fed decides to say some dumbass shit and we go crazy down? Can't predict that, so why even play against the probabilities? I really felt like today was just one of those days that you have to look at the chart, and I ended up looking at it for essentially the whole day, waiting to see if we had an opportunity here at the PM, but unfortunately we didn't really. There was really nothing. I mean, look at this barcoding. So I'm going to actually trade Asia. I'm going to stay for Asia if I can, and I want to see if we can get a setup. We have very clear consolidation here. I want to see if Asia manipulates and then maybe London distributes, but we'll have to wait and see. I'm going to keep this one short, to be honest, because there's not really much to say. Just a difficult day, FOMC day. I thought I'd make an episode anyway. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that What It Takes to Win market episode, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.